Tired of your day job? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 easy ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home. Hey, my name is Mr. FOMO and I know how it feels to be stuck in a job that you hate. That's why I made this video, to show you how you can start making money online without having to leave your house. These are all really easy methods that anyone can do, so don't miss out. 1. Sell products on eBay or Amazon. Are you looking for a way to supplement your income or even replace your current job? If so, then selling products on Amazon or eBay could be a great option for you. With a little effort, you can start generating a healthy online income by selling products on these popular platforms. One of the best things about selling on Amazon or eBay is that you don't need your own website or any sort of special equipment. All you need is an account with one of these platforms and a willingness to list your products and ship them out to buyers. You can even take advantage of Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon program to have them handle shipping and customer service for you. So if you're looking for a way to earn some extra money, or even build a full-time business, then selling products on Amazon or eBay could be a great option for you. With a little effort, you can start generating a healthy online income by taking advantage of these popular platforms. Give it a try today. 2. Do freelance work online. Freelancing is a great way to make some extra money, or even to replace your current income. The internet has made it easier than ever to find work, and there are a number of freelancing platforms available to help you get started. However, freelancing is not without its challenges. In order to be successful, you need to be able to market your skills, manage your time effectively, and deliver quality work. Fortunately, there are a number of resources available to help you overcome these challenges. By following some simple tips, you can start freelancing and earn a great income from the comfort of your own home. 3. Write articles for sites like Examiner.com or Hub Pages. Writing articles for online sites like Examiner.com or Hub Pages can be a great option. Not only can you earn a decent hourly wage, but you can also get some great exposure for your writing. Plus, it's a great way to flex your creative muscles and learn new things. However, there are a few things you should keep in mind if you want to be successful at writing articles for these types of sites. First, it's important to understand the format and style that each site uses. Second, you need to be able to research and write quickly and efficiently. Lastly, it's helpful to have a general understanding of SEO so that your articles can be easily found by readers. If you keep these things in mind, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful online writer. 4. Participate in paid online surveys. Another way to make some extra money online, participating in paid online surveys is a great option. There are a number of companies that offer online surveys for cash, and the pay can vary depending on the company and the length of the survey. However, you can typically expect to earn a few dollars per survey. While this won't make you rich, it can provide a nice boost to your online income. And since most surveys only take a few minutes to complete, they're a great way to earn some extra cash while you're taking a break from other online activities. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, participating in paid online surveys is a great option. 5. Rent out a room in your house on Airbnb. Why not consider renting out a room in your house on Airbnb? It's a great way to make some money from your home without having to put in a lot of effort. You can choose your own prices and set your own availability, so it's a flexible way to earn some extra cash. Plus, with Airbnb you don't have to worry about finding tenants or dealing with repairs, everything is taken care of for you. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, renting out a room on Airbnb could be the perfect solution. 6. Offer pet sitting services. Have you ever wished you could bring your pet with you on vacation, but couldn't because of pet restrictions at your hotel or rental property? Or maybe you've had to leave your pet home alone while you go out of town for work and felt guilty about it? If so, pet sitting services may be the perfect solution for you. By offering pet sitting services, you can provide pet owners with the peace of mind that their beloved pets will be well cared for while they're away. In addition to feeding and exercising pets, pet sitters can also provide companionship and love, which is often just as important to pet owners as food and water. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money and help out pet owners in your community, consider starting a pet sitting business. It's a win-win for everyone involved. 7. Give music lessons online. Giving music lessons online is a great way to earn some extra income. It's also a great way to reach a wider audience of students. With online music lessons, you can reach students from all over the world, and you can offer them a flexible schedule of lessons that they can work around their other commitments. You can also use online music lessons to supplement your income from live music gigs. If you're a working musician, you can use online music lessons to give your fans an insider look at your process, and to build a deeper connection with them. And if you're just starting out as a music teacher, online music lessons can give you the exposure you need to build a successful teaching business. So whether you're looking to earn some extra income or to build your teaching business, giving music lessons online is a great option. 8. Manage a blog and sell advertising space. Are you still looking for a way to make some extra income? If so, you may want to consider managing a blog and sell advertising space. This can be a great way to earn some extra money, and it doesn't have to be difficult. There are a few things you need to keep in mind, however, if you want to be successful. First, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This will make it easier to manage your blog and write quality content. Once you have selected your niche, you need to build an audience. You can do this by promoting your blog on social media and other online platforms. Once you have built up a sizable audience, you can then start sell advertising space on your blog. This can be a great way to generate some additional income. If you are looking for a way to make money online, managing a blog and sell advertising space is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to keep the tips mentioned above in mind, and you'll be well on your way to success. 9. Tutor students online in various subjects. There are many tutoring services available online, which can be a great way to make some extra income. You can tutoring students in various subjects, from math and science to English and history. And best of all, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can set your own hours and tutoring as little or as often as you like. Plus, there are a number of services that will connect you with students from around the world, so you can tutoring people from different cultures and backgrounds. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or replace it entirely, tutoring online is a great option. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how easy and rewarding it can be. 10. Manage social media accounts for businesses. In today's digital world, managing social media accounts for businesses is becoming more and more important. Not only does it help to build and maintain online relationships, but it can also be a significant source of income. In fact, many businesses are now hiring full-time social media managers to handle their accounts. However, managing social media accounts can be a lot of work. From creating content to monitoring comments and responding to messages, there's a lot to keep track of. But with a little planning and organization, it is possible to manage social media accounts effectively. Develop a content calendar, creating systems for responding to comments and messages, and delegating tasks to team members, businesses can manage their social media accounts efficiently and effectively. There are many easy ways to make money online from home. You can start a blog and sell advertising, become an affiliate for other businesses, or even start your own e-commerce store. The sky is the limit when it comes to making money online. However, it is important to remember that it takes time and hard work to be successful. If you're looking for overnight riches, you're likely to be disappointed. But if you're willing to put in the effort, there are many ways to make money online from home. So how do you get started? The best way is to subscribe to my channel. I'll show you how to make money online from home in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching.